aciye amazi.
Hello, welcome to my talks. I am Miss Mutesi as usual, and today I'd like to take you through law number 2 of the 48 Laws of Power by Robert Greene, which states that never put too much trust in friends, learn to use enemies. As social and human beings, one of the greatest happiness of existence is to love and to be loved. And we never will learn that somebody doesn't like us or somebody resents us. We usually get frustrated. But when I read this law, I came to understand that we need to use enemies as enemies because they help us to step out of our comfort zones while we prove our reliability to the rest of the world. So do not fight to transform your enemies, because it's much more easier to deal with a class of talkative people, because then you understand them than silent people. So be happy that you have a few declared enemies, because then you'll be sober enough and steadfast, because you cannot afford to take it easy. And while doing that, you're going to be more productive and more industrious. So learn to use your enemies as enemies. Have a great week.